Hi, my name is Stefanie Greenleaf. I am myself a patient here at CCI, and I remember when I first started my treatments. I did not know what to bring, and we are hoping that this video today will help you to kind of sort of get an idea of what can make your visit and your stay with us a little easier. Why don't we start at taking a look at some of the items that really helped me during chemo treatment. The first thing that you want to make sure is get yourself a bag that's large enough to hold all your items. The infusion area will be kept at a cooler temperature on purpose. So even though that the infusion area will provide you with warm blankets, I think it makes it more special if you have a blanket or a quilt, some form of cover that is a little more personal to you. So when I was getting treatments, a dear friend of mine made this quilt for me for my very first treatment, and it accompanied me every time that I went in, and I to this day cherish it. You may or you may have not yet received your port for your treatment. However, if you have received your port, it will be somewhere, of course, in this location. It is a little easier if you have a top that allows you to access the port a little easier. So what I found is shirts that have a zipper. You want to make sure when you come to CCI for your first chemo that you have a mask. You will be asked to wear that pretty much at any time as you're moving from the front area to your chair. Make sure that you have hand sanitizer at any time, because if you're wanting to eat some snacks, it is always beneficial for you to cleanse your hand before you touch food. Chemo treatment oftentimes can dry out your lips, so it's very important that you carry a lip balm with you. It truly helps to have a travel eye mask. That way you can block out the light, and you can also draw the curtains around you for privacy. I loved coloring, and I brought different kinds of coloring books and of course my coloring pencils, and I would just sit and color. Now of course you can also use your phone. If you use your phone, make sure that you have a charger, because you don't want your battery to run low. But even more importantly, have a set of headphones. We don't want to disturb the other patients. Should you be at the clinic more than 1 hour prior to your treatment, it is important for you not to forget your lidocaine cream. This is your cream that you will apply to your port to numb the area. Some people choose to do devotional time. That's what I oftentimes did. So this is a great time for you to get your daily devotional in for that day. The nurse or the doctor may come and speak with you regarding some different topics. So it's always nice for you to have a notebook with you and a pen, and take it with you to your regular doctor's appointments. And this way you can almost journal every visit, and that way if you have a question, you can go back and look it up. When you start your chemo initially, oftentimes as they flush your port, you may get a metallic kind of taste, or you may retain that taste throughout your treatment that day. What I found helped me is sucking on dum-dums, little hard candy, eating chocolate, and also always having a piece of gum ready. So I found it always helpful to have snacks with me. Now the infusion area volunteers will go around, they will greet you, they will make sure that you have what you need. But also, of course, importantly, make sure that you have snacks and drinks during your stay with us. So, of course, make sure that you have your water. And very lastly, but most importantly, make sure you always bring your driver's license and your health insurance card. The items that I showed you today made my visit much easier, and I hope that they too will bring you some comfort during your first treatment. And we so wish you the very best.